Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonulu Wanyidi, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of TBC around the world, an economic developer within the Kringle community. This morning, I'll be talking on right thing, right time. Do what's right. Do it the right way. Do it the right time. Guys, today is another wonderful day, a Wednesday, that we'll be having our mass adoption training with the admin. And guys, guess what? Today will be a special day because an expert in financial matters and cryptocurrency will be coming on board. You will join the TBC admin to speak, to educate, and to train us today. So don't be left out. By 4 p.m. West African time, avail yourself. These are part of doing the right thing at the right time. This is another day for us to create time to learn, to acquire knowledge, doing the right thing at the right time. There's opportunity to learn now. There's opportunity to acquire knowledge now. This is the right time. So make sure you avail yourself. We have over 1,000 seats available. Make it a date. Guys, right thing, right time. There is a quotation ascribed to Norman Shockford. It says, the truth of the matter is that we always know the right thing to do. The trouble is doing it. Well, let me use this illustration, and if many of us, especially to the African, especially the Nigerians, if you can remember how the Nigerian team defeated Zimbabwe 5-1 in the World Cup qualifiers in the year 2005, and yet they did not qualify to go for the World Cup in the following year, which is the year 2006. It was all a lesson in doing the right thing at the right time. The Nigerian side is a big team with everything in its kit to win the only ticket in the group. It parades seasoned international stars. The opponents were not supposed to be much of a threat. It has more than enough financial resources to prosecute the World Cup dream. But guess what? The Nigerian team toyed with the opportunity it had to qualify for German 2006. Rather than take each qualifying match with all seriousness, putting every enthusiasm they could, it waited until the last match to be held hostage in Kigali. It handed the reins of its destiny over to the Rwanda team, and in the end, was forced to swallow the bitter pill of winning and losing at the same time. I'm speaking directly to the Kringle community, to hold members, and also new people who have heard about TBC but are still dilly-dallying, are still procrastinating of coming to join the community. Same thing happened with you and I in our pursuit of to achieve our dreams. The truth is that most of us are where we are today, maybe because we deferred the things we were supposed to do till it was late. Guys, guess what? A lot of people are rushing now to look for ways to acquire more TBC coins. And unfortunately, you can't acquire more than what is stated in the reward for you to earn within a stipulated month. Many are now rushing. Why? Because the launch of the K Love coin has opened their eyes to see the great potentials, the great opportunities that abound in TBC that our Ibu Hadmi has been seeing all along all these years. Many people speak hills, speak scandalous words against most of us who are faithful, who are committed to paying our program fee over the years. Now it is the payback time. They've now seen that yes, indeed, it pays to be consistent. It pays to do the right thing at the right time. The right time, the right thing is to pay your program fee as a member of the community. The right time is for you to be doing it then when you think that no gratification whatsoever is coming. Now you can't rush to acquire what most of us in the past has acquired. It's not possible. It's not possible. TPC is not what you just pump in money and pack. No, it's not. It is a systematic way of acquiring wealth over time. So many are now trying to do the right thing. But guess what? Your timing of coming is late compared to those who have had in the time past and they hearken to the call. You are welcome on board. So go at your pace. Now is your own now time to now do the right thing. Henceforth, begin to pay your program fee regularly every month. And I can assure you, you will acquire quite a number of TBC before January next year. Guys, be part of the core team. There is nothing like it. Doing the right thing at the right time is you being part of the core team right now. This is the time that it matters and it values for you to be member of the core team. And guess what? Most of us, we keep wondering why success is becoming such a difficult thing to achieve in spite of our effort and passion. What we don't realize is that we may be putting the best of our effort into belated assignments. The best of our assignment, the belated effort that many are now putting into TBC today should have been what they should have put in time past. And that will have also moved the community forward more than where we are today. We are struggling against the tide by the reason of our procrastination. We fail to understand the importance of time. Yes, importance of time. Time is very important. Time is not as infinite as it looks. In fact, it is limited and definite. Every opportunity has its own lifespan. If you do not take it at the right time, you may lose it, and guess what? Even lose it forever. So, for as many who are yet to hearken to the call of TBC, time is going. The clock is ticking. The distribution is ending soon. The ending of the distribution period is fast approaching. Now is the time to do the right thing by joining the TBC community, be part of the core team, and pay your program fee regularly. Guess what? After the distribution period, even if you have all the millions and billions, you can acquire the coins you should have acquired now again. Why? Because the time will have elapsed. So, guys, do the right thing at the right time. It is well with you. Don't forget, by 4 p.m. today, West African time, join us. Join the TBC admin and the professional that is coming on board. Join us. Let's share things together. Come and learn. Come and acquire the knowledge needed now, the right time. So, I wish you all the best. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget, I want you to, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, click that bell by your right hand side. Subscribe to it so that you always get a notification whenever any video, any broadcast is being posted. Thank you very much. Wish you a beautiful day. Don't forget, TBC is our birthright, so claim your birthright.